check this fucking shit out. Yeah, we're climbing this shit all the way from up here. Like that. He's following. And we're gonna go up that shit right there and try to make it up that way as fast as possible without dropping the camera. Here we go. Yeah. Bitch, I'm flying. I got wings, motherfucker. La alita, mano, la alita. Little Red Bull wings, bitch. Yeah, this ain't no special effect. Yeah. Woo! They like them apples. Look, I left Pops in the dust. You see him down there? Left him in the dust. Yeah, that's a spot right up there. That bitch go way up there too. Woo! Let's roll. Motherfucking battery's about to die. Yeah. Woo. Man. Fucking feet are killing me, bitch. Yeah. Fucking Spider-Man, bitch. That's what I am. Ah. Yeah. We're catching the little freshwater crawfish right over there. I wish it was underwater camera. Nigga. See that shit? That's a rainforest. Motherfucking rainforest. Let's go in for a little closer view. Wow, right? Isn't that a beauty? All natural, baby. Ain't no man-made stuff here. I don't think I want to go way up there. I could. But these people are rushing us. Talking about they want to go. Got a little spot right there. Get right up under there. Right there. This is like a little hole right there. And the waterfall just falls right on you right there. That shit is off the chain. Oh no, my bad. The hole's right here. Yeah, you see it. That's where the hole you duck off in. This right here is motherfucking deep. That shit's about 20-25 feet deep. And I know because I was snorkeling all through the bottom of that shit before I came this time around. This is my second trip up this damn mountain. I like that motherfucking scenery. Real deal rainforest. Beautiful, huh? Yes, sir. And that concludes part 2.